Good morning. It is Saturday, March 5th. Had a good day yesterday, I think. Plus, after I came home, I just ended up having a light dinner with Justin, and then we were so tired we fell asleep. And honestly, Cashew's very tired this morning. Baby, look, it's okay. It's okay, Cashew. Getting ready to go to the gym this morning. Gotta stay fit even though it's Saturday. About to have this green juice. Waiting for my green tea to steep a little bit more. I'm actually gonna mix this with my electrolytes and a little bit of water. So yeah, let's have a productive Saturday. I actually don't have any plans, so let's see where the day takes us. I do want to film or edit a YouTube video today, so I hope I get to that, and then that will be my third video that I posted every other day, so very exciting. I'm trying to keep to this without really saying that I'm keeping to it. I also want to say this Amazing Greens tastes excellent. I highly recommend it. And something that I could just sip as a morning green juice. During Cashew's toy, I'm making him run as I drink this. I gotta wait 30 minutes until Lewis gets here, so I think I'm just gonna make the bed, maybe clean the bathroom, get the bedroom, morning routine all situated. Yeah, I already took Cashew out, already had my morning Tough Mother wellness shot, and I'm just ready for the day. Saturdays right now is a great day to decompress, I think, and just catch up with friends, socialize, or just keep to myself and honestly play Pokemon all day. I don't know. We'll see where the day takes us. I feel like I'm gonna end up hanging out and doing something fun with Lewis. Maybe check out a new restaurant. We'll see. Cheers. Really good workout. Lewis came over, did a nice workout with him. We actually went on my stride machine for a whole hour, so he said he was pretty tired. Yay! I was thinking about going out for lunch, but I think I'm just gonna hang here. Seems like Cashew wants to hang. So let's see what we can make for lunch today. This is what we're going to eat for lunch. It's basically soondubu with all the stuff prepared, essentially. It's just the sauce that's really prepared. Anyways, this is the hot one. BCD Tofu House, by the way. One of my favorite places to eat a great hangover soondubu in New York and LA. I think there's also an LA one, not that I go there. Let's make this. I'm gonna add this seafood mix too. Give it a little I don't think I have any vegetables put in, but we'll double check. Finished up lunch, but I'm kind of in a weird mood, I guess you could say. I think it's just hard. I think Saturdays are hard. Saturday or Sunday. Usually I'll feel pretty good about one day of the weekends, but I feel I worked out all morning. It's about 2 o'clock now, and I'm kind of what should I do? I don't really feel like going out because it's kind of gloomy today. I really want to play Pokemon, but I think I put it in my head that from 9 to 5 or during the day I shouldn't play just because I want to be as productive as possible. But I don't know, essentially I'm not giving myself time to de-stress or do what I really want, which is that. I might just end up playing Pokemon. I was thinking about going to Lewis's. I don't know if I'll do that. I probably won't. I think I'm just gonna stay here and have a chill Saturday, put a face mask on. Honestly, I might take a bath, even though I already showered and did my hair. Just a bath sounds like it feels so good right now. Anyways, if I take a bath, it should be tomorrow because I wash my hair. It's all about keeping this hair as red as possible. We are on bottle number I drank a whole one during my workout and then had like a half bottle. And I came back and refilled this for lunch, and then I refilled again after lunch. So I'm actually on bottle 3, which is pretty good because I technically only needed 2. So extra hydrating day. This bottle is from Giotto. I've just loved it. They reached out to me through email, asked if I wanted products for placement, haha, I guess. But honestly, I was already looking for another water bottle just because I don't like my swell for working out. To twist the cap off, it's not ideal. But I will say my swell bottle is probably one of my favorite things at work, just because it keeps the drinks cold or hot or however you want. I'm not giving Cashew attention, so I'm giving him attention, and I think we're gonna go play Pokemon. It was just too nice. Hello, we're together. So I actually came on the roof and walked Cashew for about like an hour, went on a nice leisurely walk, but I actually wanted to take some time. The weather is just so nice, so I actually decided to come on the rooftop, read a little bit. I brought Cashew with me. Say hello! Say hello! He's really tired because we went on a long walk. Just gonna do some reading up here, get some R&R, and enjoy the rest of my Saturday. Come here, Cashew. Come here. Good boy. Come here. Good boy. Yeah, I know. We just got back. We just got back. I got to read on the roof for like about an hour, which was good. This is my life now. He like loves to go on the pillow. I mean, look at that. He only does this during the day though. He used to do this as a puppy at night. Ugh. So yeah, I spent about an hour reading on the roof, which is great because one of my goals this year was to read more. Just trying to make sure I stay up on that. Okay. He's upset because I just told him no biting. Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss, yes. I'm gonna do what I had intended to do and play Pokemon. I do kind of want to like edit a video. I just don't know what I'm gonna do first. My laundry should be ending very shortly as well. Staying productive today, which is good, but probably could have been more productive. It's okay though. It's Saturday. It's more about relaxing and getting everything in line for the rest of the week.